Hi, my name is Chelsea Myers, and this is my Genius Hour project. So, my research question was, how can assistive technology effectively help students improve their reading skills? So, the summary of what I learned, I realized that my research question was very broad, so there's many avenues I could take to learn about it. I also learned that depending on the program really affected what kind of student and what age group it would benefit the most. I also learned that assistive technology with students with dyslexia is very important. What I learned about myself is that I not only need to experience a tool for myself hands-on, I need to search information about it, I need to look into reviews, and I need to ask others what they thought about the technology if they've experienced it themselves, so I can know what to avoid when using the application and what to prepare for. This will help me in the future because knowing these assistive technologies now, I can better help my students in their educational success, and I can also teach them how to do a Genius Hour project for themselves with a different research question that they choose. So the pros of assistive technology is that it ranges from low to high tech and can be used in two ways: to support learning and to bypass a challenging task such as handwriting. In order to be effective, assistive technology needs to be embedded within quality instruction. The benefits of technology, using things such as a laptop computer or tablet device is portable and lightweight, and students need to be trained in this to make sure it's bettering them and not distracting them. Computer-assisted instruction can help provide practice opportunities for students and immediate and dynamic feedback. And text-to-speech assistive tools can help people who are blind, dyslexic, or visual impairments or other learning disabilities or physical conditions that impede their reading ability. And these tools can be used in a creative way to where they allow students to dictate what's going in and out of their computer. And the ways to incorporate this into a classroom, you can use closed captioning in videos. You can also use graphic organizers and text-to-speech software. I found Bookshare to be very interesting. It makes reading easier. People with dyslexia, blindness, cerebral palsy, and other reading barriers can customize their experience to suit their learning style and find virtually any book they need for schoolwork or the joy of reading. And students kindergarten to high school can engage in these books, and they can be very helpful in the classroom. And these are my sources. Thank you.